what if I told you that gorgeous amplifier behind me, with the dancing VU meter, the aluminum body, the audiophile-grade chips, costs under $200? And it could be the heart of your entire hi-fi system? Let's get into it. This is the Fosi Audio MC351, a 2.1 channel integrated amplifier with a built-in DAC, dual Texas Instruments TPA3255 chips, and yes, a real analog VU meter that dances to your music. Just a heads up, product links in this video are affiliate links, which means we earn a small commission at zero cost to you. Here's why this matters. A decent stereo receiver will run you $300 to $500 minimum. This amp gives you the same audiophile-grade amplification for $190, and it fits in the palm of your hand. Add a pair of budget bookshelf speakers and you've got a complete hi-fi system for under $300. No bulky receiver, no complicated setup, no nonsense. Let's talk about what's actually inside this thing because it's impressive. 2 Texas Instruments TPA3255 amplifier chips. The same chips used in amps costing 3 to 4 times as much. 100-fin heatsink to keep everything cool without a fan. And a dual circuit board design that separates the input and output stages so they don't interfere with each other. This is proper engineering, not just a pretty box. 5 inputs means this amp can connect to basically anything. Bluetooth 5.0 for your phone. USB, Optical or Coaxial for your TV or computer. The built-in DAC handles digital audio directly. And RCA analog for your turntable or any legacy gear. One box replaces a DAC, a preamp, and a power amp. That's a lot of functionality for the price. The 2.1 channel design means you get stereo left and right, plus a dedicated subwoofer output. That's a big deal at this price. Most mini-amps are stereo only. You can build a proper home theater setup, a desktop audio system, pair it with a turntable for vinyl, or just stream from your phone over Bluetooth. This amp does all of it. Okay, let's be honest. Part of the reason you're watching this video is the VU meter. And Fosi knows it. The analog needle swings with your music in real time. It's hypnotic. It's gorgeous. And it's not just decoration, it actually shows you your signal level. Paired with a turntable, this thing looks like it came straight out of a 1970s hi-fi shop. Except it's 2026 and it has Bluetooth. 167 reviews on Amazon, 4.2 stars average. 63% 5-star. Reviewers consistently call out the sound quality as exceeding expectations, crisp highs, without being harsh, solid bass response. The design and VU meter get universal praise. And setup is repeatedly called plug-and-play simple. Most people are pairing this with desktop speakers and loving it. Now the downsides. Some users report the optical input cuts out intermittently. If you're connecting via optical, that's worth knowing. Bluetooth and USB work flawlessly though. The power ratings are optimistic compared to full-size amps. This won't fill a concert hall, but for a bedroom, office, or living room, it's plenty. There's no remote, which is a miss at this price. And there's no built-in phono preamp, so if you're connecting a turntable, you'll need an external one. A few buyers received units that looked previously opened. Check yours carefully on arrival. Here's how I'd build a system around this. The MC351 at $190. A pair of budget bookshelf speakers, Daytons, Mikas or Pioneer SP22s for $60 to $100. Connect via Bluetooth or RCA and you're done. Total system costs under $300. For comparison, a Sonos amp alone costs $500 and doesn't have a VU meter. At 190, this amp replaces 3 separate components: a DAC, a preamp, and a power amplifier. The all-aluminum CNC body feels premium, no visible screws, sandblasted finish, and the dual TPA3255 chips are the real deal. You'd have to spend significantly more to get better amplification. For what's inside and how it's built, the value is outstanding. Final verdict: this is legit. The Fosi MC351 is the best mini integrated amplifier you can buy at this price point, with a built-in DAC and a VU meter, audiophile-grade TI chips, 5 inputs including digital, 2.1 channel output, and it looks absolutely stunning on a desk or shelf. The optical issue is a real concern if that's your primary input, but for Bluetooth, USB, or analog use, it's rock solid. If you're building a hi-fi on a budget, this is your amp. If you made it this far, hit that like button and subscribe. Drop a comment. What speakers would you pair with this thing? I'm curious what you guys would build. Product links are in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.